Hello and welcome to Maths by SAS. This is my first lesson of D1 chapter number 3, that is about the significant figures. This is my sixth lesson of bridging videos. In these lessons we are discussing small concepts that will be helpful for understanding of O-level maths paper 1 questions so that students can secure good marks in these questions, and secondly, in order to bridge the gap of those lessons which were left due to the COVID-19 and due to the crucial period of COVID-19, all efforts are to facilitate the students and in order to give the idea that nothing can be a barrier between the teacher, student and the learning, and nobody can stop the learning process. Significant figures are one of the most important topics of your O-level examination, and they are widely used in our everyday life as well. Before moving to the lesson, there are some important points that we have to understand, that what are the significant figures and how to round of the number to the significant figures, and what are the rules that will be helping us to decide that which numbers are significant and which numbers are not significant. So this lesson will really be important, so do not miss any part of the lesson, because if you will be missing this basic lesson, you will be finding difficulty in understanding next class. Okay, let's move to today's class and let's discuss what are the significant figures. Significant figures are the digits in the number. Significant figures are the digits in the number that contribute to accuracy of it, and then they are used to reflect the degree of accuracy. A number is more significant or accurate when it is given to the greater number of significant figures, and we count significant figures from left to right, starting from the first non-zero digit. It's really important to understand that we will start counting the significant figures from left to right, starting from the first non-zero digit. Suppose we have a number that is 5,346,000. So here, in order to understand the concept of significant figures, we have to start from left to right. 5, as this is a non-zero digit, so it is the first significant figure. 3 is the second significant figure, and 4 is the third significant figure. I hope, students, you are clear that whenever you will be solving the question for the significant figures, you must have to begin from left. Now, how to round off? In order to round to the given number of significant digits, first of all, what we have to do, locate the significant figure. Locate the significant figure for the degree of accuracy required. The first non-zero digit is the first significant figure, and after that, what we have to do, look at the next digit to the right. Then what we have to see in that digit, that whether that digit is 5 or more or less than 5. If that is 5 or more, round up by adding 1 to the previous digit, or when this will be less than 5, round down by keeping the previous digit same. So this is one of the important rule, that first of all we have to locate the significant figure for the degree of the accuracy required, and then we have to see the next digit towards its right side, and we have to see whether that digit is 5 or more than 5, 5 or more than 5, or 5 or less than 5. If that number is 5 or more than 5, then we have to round up by adding 1 to the previous digit. But if that is less than 5, then we have to round down by keeping the previous digit same. Now, coming to how to decide which figures are significant, there are 5 simple rules that we have to keep in our mind. Rule 1 is all non-zero digits are significant. Zeros which are between non-zero digit, they are significant, like 205. This zero is significant. In decimals, All zeros after the non-zero digits, they are significant. In decimal, all zeros which are after non-zero digit, like 205, 0.205, this zero is significant. In the whole number, the zeros at the end may or may not be significant. Now, which numbers are not significant? In decimals, all zeros before the non-zero digit. All zeros before the non-zero digit, they are not significant. Suppose we have the number 0.0205. Now look at this zero. This zero is not after any non-zero digit, or this zero is before this non-zero digit, so this zero will not be significant. So students, I hope you are clear that what are the significant figures and from which side we have to start counting the significant figures, and how to locate and how to round off the number to the given level of accuracy, and which numbers are significant and which numbers are not significant. I hope you will be watching and understanding this lesson clearly. To understand and grasp the next lesson properly, please watch and understand this lesson carefully, because this will be applied in the next class. If this lesson is weak, your next lesson will also be affected, and all efforts are to facilitate my students in this crucial period of COVID-19. Please watch and understand this lesson and press bell icon to get the notification of every lesson in time. Thank you very much.